This Dalton Wade Real Estate Group property video is presented by Vioma Lorenzo. Move-in ready townhome located in the Townhomes at River Landing community. This is the perfect buying opportunity for someone looking for the Marigold Floor plan, end unit, which offers 1,553 square feet, 3-bed, 2.5 baths, and a 1-car garage. The spacious kitchen boasts quartz countertops, stainless steel appliances, beautiful cabinets, a large pantry, and a living room/dining room combo. The rear patio provides outdoor space with beautiful views of the pond. Upstairs is the generous-sized owner's suite with a walk-in closet and owner's bath with double vanity. Down the hall are 2 bedrooms, a full bath, and laundry. This home is located near prime shopping, Tampa Premium Outlets, hospitals, and restaurants with easy access to I-75, I-275, and Morris Bridge for traveling or commuting to work. For more information,